Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Queen Billion Show. Hope you're doing well. This is my visit to the Windsor Castle. This visit I wasn't feeling too well, so we couldn't book a ticket to get into the walls of the Windsor Castle, but I still wanted to see the castle, so here is my view and sights of the Windsor Castle from the outside. It's a really beautiful place. It was a beautiful weather, even though it was very cold and chilly that day. We went around the visible parts that we could see, and went to some shops. It's a really beautiful place, and I hope you enjoy the sights and seeing that day. And there's a carriage, very lovely, beautiful horses. Things to do at the Windsor Castle, and those are people waiting to get in, and some people are inside already. Took some pictures and enjoyed the atmosphere and the weather. His voice is so amazing.
I am Nick. Yeah, it's okay.